Xiaomi has announced the Redmi Note 14 series in China. The lineup consists of the Standard, Pro, and Pro Plus models. The latest offerings arrive as the successor to the last year's Note 13 series. The Xiaomi sub-brand has made some changes to the Note 14 Pro Duo compared to their predecessors. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 series has made its debut, featuring two models, the Redmi Note 14 Pro and Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. Both devices are designed with toughness in mind, boasting advanced curved displays and enhanced durability. The Pro Plus model stands out with superior camera hardware and a powerful silicon carbon anode battery. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a 6,200 mAh silicon carbon anode battery that supports fast charging at 90 watts and can function even in extreme cold conditions as low as 20 degrees Celsius. The Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chipset, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus features a high-end triple camera system, with the main camera based on the OmniVision Light Hunter 800 sensor, previously seen on the Xiaomi 14 Civi. The sensor size is 1.55 minutes, and it offers 13.2 EV dynamic range along with dual native ISO for enhanced image quality. The lens has a bright 1.6 aperture and optical image stabilization, OIS, to ensure sharp photos in various lighting conditions. In addition to the main camera, there is a 50-megapixel sensor behind a 60mm telephoto lens, which offers a 2.5x zoom and 5x lossless zoom for detailed shots. This lens also has an f2.0 aperture and can focus on objects as close as 50 centimeters. The third camera is an 8-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with a 120-degree field of view, f2.2. The main camera supports 4K video at 30 fps and 1080p video at 60 fps, with slow motion at 1080p and 120 fp. The front camera, designed for selfies, is a 20-megapixel sensor capable of recording 1080p video at 60 fps. The display is a stunning 6.67 inches OLED panel with 12-bit color, supporting Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits. The screen has a resolution of 1220 by 2712 pixels, 446 ppi, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass 7i on the back, making it the first Redmi phone to use dual Gorilla Glass. Redmi has reinforced the four corners and added internal cushioning using polymer and foam for added shock resistance. The Pro Plus model has passed rigorous durability tests, earning a 5-star rating from TÜV Süd for surviving drops onto a marble floor from 1.8 meters. It also withstood submersion under 2 meters of water for 24 hours, well beyond the usual IP68 standard. Software-wise, the devices run on HyperOS-based Android 14. The Redmi Note 14 Pro shares many features with the Pro Plus, including the same rugged King Kong architecture with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front. However, it lacks Gorilla Glass on the back, although it still includes the internal cushioning and waterproofing. It has undergone the same TÜV Süd durability tests, demonstrating its toughness. The camera system has been scaled down compared to the Pro Plus. The main camera uses a 50-megapixel Sony Light-T600 sensor with a 1.96-inch sensor size and an f1.5 lens, along with OIS. It supports 4K video at 30 fps, but 1080p video offers both 60 fps and 120 fps options. Unlike the Pro Plus, there's no telephoto lens. Instead, the ultra-wide camera retains the same 8-megapixel 120 degrees module and also comes with a 2-megapixel macro camera. The selfie camera is the same 20-megapixel sensor as on the Pro Plus. The display is identical to the Pro Plus, featuring a 6.67-inch OLED panel with 1220 by 2712 pixels resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 3000 nits peak brightness. Both models also include under-display optical fingerprint readers. The battery in the Pro is a 5500 mAh LiPo cell with 45-watt charging support, rated to maintain its capacity for up to 4 years. It uses the Dimensity 7300 Ultra chipset with up to 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage. Software-wise, the devices run on HyperOS-based Android 14. The device is also said to weigh 190 grams, making it relatively lightweight for a smartphone with such impressive specifications. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.